Today, we're gonna check out this hammock. It's portable, it's lightweight. We're gonna get in it, crawl all through it, set it up, break it down, check it all out, see if this thing is as good as they say. What's up, campers? What's up? I'm Steve, here with my buddy Tony. We are Beast Mode Camping. Camping. Look at that. All the heavy lifting. Packing it close. Got my hammock. I'm buying me some chill time. This is what I'm talking about. Bam. But if she finds me, she's gonna dump me out on the ground. Is it worth the risk? I'm feeling lucky. Okay, so today we're taking a look at this Magellan outdoor camping hammock. This thing is perfect for lazy people like me who just don't really want to put in a lot of effort, but they, still want to get their nap on while they're out camping. They're super lightweight, portable, easy to set up. There's not a lot of parts in them. Everything you need's in the bag. You just grab it and go. All right, so let's set this thing up and see if it's really as good as they say they are. They're really easy to use, so I'm just gonna uncinch this bag and pull it all out, man. Check that out. Just folds right out. Like I said, everything you need is in the bag. Got my straps all bundled up in there like that. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is find two trees that are roughly 10 to 15 feet apart. I was taking a look at these guys right here, and I think those are gonna do pretty good. Tony, come take a look at these straps, man. This is a really cool idea. So on this end, it's got this loop to cinch it with, and there's a bit of space here before you get to these. And every one of these is another little loop going all the way down to the end. So that gives you the ability to adjust this however you want it. The way this was intended to be set up is you take this long end before the loops start and you just wrap it around a tree. That's just how I do it, but for all you non-experts out there, here's an alternative way that might be a little easier for you. You just wrap it around like this. You take the rest of the strap through the loop, and then you can just pull that right through like so. Adjust this maybe just a little above your head, depending on how high you are, and just cinch it down like that. Strong, never coming loose. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Just wrap it around here, stick it through, get it a little above your head, cinch it down. That's all there is to it, man. So you ready to hang this thing up? Each end of this thing is really tightly put together with these carabiners. Find about the height that you want it. I'm gonna go all the way up from the highest one here because these trees are pretty close. And then you can just come to the other side, just hook it on. It's literally as easy as that. I'm kind of weird about this, but I always like to cinch these things up and tuck them in.
You don't want ants crawling up
you don't want ants getting on you while you're napping.
Bears.
They'll
climb
right up that thing, man. I'm just saying. So you can just stick it in like that. Lions, tigers, they all can climb straps, man. You can never be too careful. Now check it out. These things are strong, man. That thing is not gonna go anywhere. These carabiners are actually rated for climbing. They're not just your keychain carabiners, you know what I mean? So this is gonna hold a lot of weight. This hammock is rated for 400 pounds. So, I'm not a lightweight here, and this thing's gonna take care of me just fine.
Hey, what about these little twigs you connected this to, Steve?
Now that's a whole nother story. That's all up to Mother Nature. I guess we're gonna find out. Check this out. This stuff is made out of a really lightweight nylon. So it's really thin and it breathes really well. So if you're in more of a hot environment, then it's gonna be able to breathe and you're not really gonna get all sweaty in here. If you're in a cold environment, you're probably gonna wanna get your sleeping bag in here and bundle up because it does breathe really well. The pouch that it stows away in attaches to the side right here. So you can see it can hang like this. And when you're laying here, you can put your stuff in here, your keys, your wallet, whatever you want.
What stuff? Oh, okay.
Your stuff, you put your weed in here. But anyway, you can have anything you need to, stow in there while you're chilling. According to their Manufacturers will stretch out to 72 inches wide and 115 inches long. So it's gonna work for you taller guys too. Taller guys need to nap also. All right, wish me luck. Just the straddle, the position, and the chill. Oh yeah. You know what, I'm gonna take my shoes off because I can, you know. Nap time. So hey, if at any point in time you find yourself enjoying this video, why not let us know by giving it a like down below and subscribing to our channel. Hey, you wanna see something cool, Tony? This pocket, if you can get yourself a ballast, like a big thick Harley wallet, and put it in here, then if there's bugs around, you can like pull this over like this and take your ballast and just flip it over.
Cocoon.
It's like a cocoon. Oh no, what time is it? Oh, I better get the hell out of here. Unclip these. Yeah, that's how the pros do it. Nothing special. Tony, I really love this thing, man. This is the type of item that you might just keep in your car all the time for whenever you might need it, because you never know when you need to sneak in an emergency nap, right? When I go camping, I'm always gonna end up taking a nap at some point, and these things are so portable, so lightweight, so easy to set up and use. I mean, they're quick, man. You can just bam, bam, you're up and down, you know, as fast as you need it to be. So one of my favorite items to bring camping. If you want to grab one of these, you can pick them up on Amazon. They sell them at most sporting goods stores. On Amazon, you can get these things in numerous different manufacturers. Like I said, this one is the Magellan. You can grab them for as low as 20 bucks. They go all the way up to $100 and even more, depending on the quality and the accessories that go along with them. So as always, thanks for watching Beast Mode Camping. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. And ring the bell while you're at it so you'll never miss a video. See ya.
Go ahead, Mr. Toga.
Toga. And you just wrap it around a tree.
All right.
We'll see how that works.